Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am here to explain physics assignment related to the topic light, reflection and refraction. Question number 1. A convex mirror used for a rear view mirror on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the mirror. So radius of curvature is given, that is r is equal to 3 meter. You know the relation between focal length and radius of curvature, that is f is equal to r over 2. So we get 1.5 meter. As this is a convex mirror, focal length is positive. Now object distance u is equal to 5 meter, which is negative as per sign convention. From mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So you can find image distance. Substitute these values in this equation. So 1 by 1.5 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by minus 5. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5. So you get 1 by v is equal to 7.5, 6.5 over 7.5. From this, v is equal to 7.5 over 6.5. So the answer is 1.15 meter. 1.15 meter. The position of image is at 1.15 meter. Okay. Now we'll find the size, that is magnification of the object. That is m is equal to minus v over u. Minus of, what is the value of image? Image distance 1.15 over u is equal to minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. So you will get 0.3 meter. Question number 2. What are the sign convention rules for the parameters related to the mirror equation? How we are measuring the object distance or image distance or focal length in case of a mirror? So how you define focal length? How you define image distance? So image distance is nothing but the distance from pole to image. Object distance is the distance from pole to object. So if you observe here, as I am measuring the distance from pole to object and pole to image. So my first point for sign convention is the distance. All the distances should be measured from pole. All the distances should be measured from pole of the mirror. And second rule, if you are measuring the distance in the direction of incident ray, suppose this is the direction of incident ray, if you are measuring the distance in the direction of incident ray, then that distance is taken as positive. If you are measuring the distance opposite to the direction of incident ray, this is incident ray, if you are measuring the distance opposite to the direction of incident ray, then it is taken as positive. The objects, third point, the objects which are placed above the principal axis are taken as positive. The objects which are placed below the principal axis are taken as negative. Question number 3. Is magnification is equal to f over f minus u or f over u minus f? Which is correct in this too? Let me find out. So U is equal to object distance, F is equal to F, and remember that for any mirror, it may be convex or it may be concave. When there is an object, you will get image, or to get image, you have to place an object. When you are placing an object, there will be object distance. In the same way, if it is a curved mirror, there will be focal length. Okay, I don't know what mirror it is, so that's why I am not going into the sign convention. Now, image distance V is equal to, as per the formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. That is equal to 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Finally, you can write V is equal to UF over U minus. So what do you have to find out? Magnification. So magnification M is equal to minus V over U, that is minus of UF over U minus F by U. That is equal to U gets cancelled. So you can write F over F minus U. This is the correct answer. Question number 4. An object 5 centimeter tall. Object height is given. Height of the object HO is equal to 5 centimeter. Is placed 1 meter from a concave mirror. Where it is placed? 1 meter from the concave mirror. So object distance U is equal to minus 1 meter. Convert this into centimeter. That is minus 100 centimeter. Now radius of curvature is given. That is R is equal to 20 centimeter. From this we can find F, that is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Here minus is as per sign convention. Okay, from the mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay, 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. As you know, focal length is 1 by minus 10 minus of 1 by minus 100. Okay, so finally you get 90 by minus 90 by 1000. So V is equal to, this is 1 by V. Okay, so V is equal to minus 100 by 9. What my point? So now you know image distance. Now we can find size of the image. So HI. Okay, what is the formula for magnification? M is equal to HI over HO is equal to minus V over U. HI, you don't know, which we are going to find. So HI is equal to HO into minus V over, you know the value of HO, that is 5 into, what is the value of V? Minus. Minus of minus, then it will be plus. Minus of minus, it will be plus. So 100 by 9 by, what is the object distance here? Minus 100. So 100 gets cancelled. So finally you will get minus 5 by 9 centimeter. This is the height of image. Height of the image is equal to minus 5 by 9 centimeter. Question number 5. Which mirror gives magnification minus 1? So in case of two mirrors, there is a possibility of magnification 1. When the object distance and image distance, as you know the magnification formula, m is equal to minus v by u. When the object distance is equal to image distance, in that case only you will get magnification 1. Okay, which is possible in case of plane mirror as well as concave mirror, because in convex mirror always you get diminished images, so that the magnification is always less than 1. So in plane mirror, let us see in plane mirror. In plane mirror, object distance u is equal to minus u, image distance v is equal to positive, because which is a virtual image. So m is equal to minus v by u is the formula. Here the value is minus v by object distance is minus u. So here you are getting the plus value. So obviously the answer is concave mirror. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.